So we will start from background processing. That what is background processing? So when we are talking about the hierarchy, I told you that there is a directory called sbin. What is sbin? And that actually that hold all the processes that whatever running background in the background of our system. So let me connect with my system first.
Uh, so just before we start, the server that you're getting into is a Red Hat 7 or a 6?
Actually, it's a Red Hat 8.
8?
Yes, 8.
Okay. And you doing a passwordless SSH into it, like in your keygen, or how you? Uh, so I have a Mac, so how do I?
Okay, you have a Mac, okay? So you can do one thing, like either you can install a virtual machine, or you can
Okay.
use AWS. So okay, like I guess Mohan and Dave both are using AWS, right, guys?
Yes. And also, I think Karthik can SSH to the AWS EC2 instances.
Yeah, that's what I have in mind, but I didn't know how. I see this as a virtual thing, so
So it would be better. It would be better if you go with the AWS. You will get the response fast, and also
okay.
actually we need virtual machine for understanding the LVM part, because adding a new disk that would be like I will tell you that how we can do that. But right now, Karthik, use AWS. That would be good for you. Okay, and
Thanks, Rich.
how you can use it, if you have any doubt, I will help you with that. First, just create a
I
AWS
can
account.
do the.
Yes. Karthik, if you are saying something.
No, the thing is, I've done this, Suraj, so I can create two instances and do a passwordless SSH between them.
Okay.
Uh, from there on, I help like.
Okay. So my question is, like, you are good with all the Linux command, like how to create directories, what is copy, what is link, and like these general commands, like what these general commands are, like how to add user, how to create user, how to remove user, like these stuffs. Your voice is not audible, Karthik.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Suraj. The only thing I was telling was I just create these instances and it'll just follow up for the next steps after the class.
Okay. Because doing SSH is not a right thing right now, because going with the basic first. First, we are good
Uh-huh.
with the basics, so that would be good, I guess. And when we are talking about the SSH
Okay.
part, like I will do the SSH and passwordless
Mhm.
authentication. I will help you with that. That how we can do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Fine. Thanks.
So guys, what is background processing? So Karthik, please mute your GoToMeets. Uh, so PS is a command to figure it out like what is running right now. And if I press PS hyphen EF, it will print everything which is running inside my system right now. Okay, these files are running right now. Maybe there is some services like I told you about the SPIN. There is a SPIN. There is a USR bin. So these are the background files which is running right now. So if I wants to know like how many services are running right now or how many processes are running in the background, and in something if something is lagging or something is stopped, I don't want to continue with that process. I want to kill that. So how I will do that? How I will do that? So and we talked about the Linux, like it's a very versatile operating system. Like you can do anything. You can go anywhere. You can edit any file, any configuration file, anything. So what the thing is, like we can control the processes also, like which process will be run and which process will not run. You can see like this is the command I pressed, and this is also a process which is running under EC2 user. There is a bash which is running by EC2 user. Okay, so these are the things that I can know about that how processes are running behind. Okay, so Unix providing us the facility to background the process that are taking long time to process to help us multitask and uses. Okay, PS-EF to obtain the process status, like it will give you all the processes. Okay, no command is nothing. Terminating the background is we use kill -9. -9 we use to killing that process, and after that the process ID. So like you can see, there is a process ID, PID, and parent process ID. There are two things. First is process ID and second is parent process ID. So maybe there are some processes, those are dependent on some other processes. So that would become a parent for this process. So like it's telling two, like the root PID1, this is the system command. This is not rely on anyone. Then there are something like whenever you're watching at two means this process. So this process is the parent for these processes. Okay, so if I delete this process or if I kill this process, they all are, whoever dependent on this process, they will automatically killed. I mean, okay, so these are the process things.